Right. So in trigonometry, the today our learning objective very important trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Here, some specific angles means I'm taking 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Here, what are trigonometric? What are the trigonometric ratios? We have six trigonometric ratios. What are they? Sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A, secant A, and cosecant A. That is sin A means sine of angle A. Cos A means cos of angle A. Tan A means tan of angle A. Like this. Now here we have to find sine in place of A. I'm taking one angle. Suppose sine 45 degrees in place of A 45 degrees. Suppose that means what sine of an angle 45 degrees. What is the value of sine of angle 45 degrees? You have to find the value sine 45 degrees or cos 30 degrees. Cos of an angle 30 degrees. What is the value of cos 30 degrees? Or tan 0. Tan of an angle 0 degrees. What is the value of tan 0? What is the value of cot 45 degrees? What is the value of secant of an angle 60 degrees? What is the value of cosecant 90 degrees? Like this. So you have to find trigonometric ratios for these angles. Here, not only these angles, but also you can know the values for the trigonometric ratios of any angle. Suppose here sine of 1200 degrees or tan 2000 degrees or cot minus 2400 degrees. You can know, but in our 10th class, only these specific angles are mentioned. Remaining angles you can learn in higher classes. Now we see the trigonometric ratios of these specific angles. Right. In the next slide, uh, we know the values of trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees. That means what is the sine 45 degrees value? Cos 45, tan 45, cot 45, sec 45, and cosec 45 degrees. You have to find these values. For this, I'm taking right angle triangle. So here 45 degrees is there. So in the figure, I'm taking one of the two angles as 45 degrees. So in the right angle triangle, 90 is there, 45 degrees is there. So third angle you can easily get. That is here, third angle is 45 degrees. So 45 plus 45, 90 plus 90, that is 180. Sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So if you observe the right angle triangle, your two angles are equal, 45 degrees and 45 degrees. So this is an isosceles right angle triangle. So in isosceles right angle triangle, these two sides are also equal. Which two sides? That means the sides opposite to equal angles. The sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Here 45 degrees opposite side this, 45 degrees opposite side this. So these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. Suppose this is the side is suppose this side is A, this base is also A. Now what is the opposite side to the 90 degrees? That is called hypotenuse. So you have to find side length side length which is opposite to 90 degrees, that is hypotenuse. You have to find the length of hypotenuse. So you can get this by using the Pythagoras rule. What Pythagoras says, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. So you don't know hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to one side is A, another side is A. So I'm substituting in place of side A. So hypotenuse square is equal to A square plus A square. So hypotenuse square is equal to a square plus a square means 2a square. So how many a squares are there? 2, 2, 2a square. So 2a square. If this square, if this square comes to right side, right side, it becomes a it becomes a square root. So hypotenuse is equal to square root of 2a square. Hypotenuse is equal to square root of 2a square. This square root is applied to the this 2 and this a square also. So hypotenuse is equal to square root 2 into square root of a square. Here square root get cancel. Hypotenuse is equal to root 2 into a. Root 2 into only here a. So what is the hypotenuse value? Root 2 into a. So write here in the figure in place of hypotenuse root 2a. So root 2a. Hypotenuse value is root 2a. Now you have to find here here 45 degrees is there, here also 45 degrees there is there. You can take any 45 degrees. Suppose if you take this 45 degrees, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. If you take this 45 degrees, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. I'm taking this 45 degrees. I'm taking this 45 degrees. So I'm removing this 45 degrees, right? So this is this is the opposite side to the 45 degrees. This is adjacent side to this angle 45 degrees. Now, what is the sine 45? Sine 45. What is the ratio of sine? What is the definition of sine? Opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. Here I'm taking 45 degrees angle. So opposite side of angle 45 by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side of angle 45? That is A. A. So I'm writing in the numerator A by, and what is the hypotenuse? Already we got root 2 into A. So here sine 45 degrees is equal to opposite side A by hypotenuse is root 2 into A. Here A get cancelled. A 1 ja A. So 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. Sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. Next, cos 45. Cos 45 means what is the definition of cos? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of 45 degrees to the adjacent side of 45 degrees and by hypotenuse. So here adjacent side of 45 degrees is A. A by hypotenuse root 2 into A. Here also A get cancelled. So 1 by A1 ja A 1 by root 2. So cos 45 value is 1 by root 2. Now next tan 45. Tan 45, what is the tan 45 definition? Opposite side of angle 45 degrees by adjacent side of angle 45. What is the opposite side of 45? A. What is the adjacent side of 45? That is A. That is A by A. A by A. A 1 ja A. So is equal to 1. So tan 45 value is 1. So, so these, if you know these three trigonometric ratios, you can easily get remaining three trigonometric ratios. So what is the, now next one is the cot 45. What is the cot 45? Actually cot 45 is the reciprocal of tan. That means if you reverse the value, if you reverse the value of the trigonometric ratio of 45 degrees, you can get the cot 45. Here, what is the tan 45 value? Here, what is the tan 45 value is equal to 1. Here, 1 can be written as 1 by 1. 1 can be written as 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means 1. Now, if you reverse this ratio, that is, if you reverse this ratio, if you reverse this ratio, that is 1 by 1. You get, again, you get 1 by 1. That is the result of the cot 45 because cot and tan are reciprocal to each other. So 1 by 1 means what? 1. Again, you get 1. So cot 45 value is 1. Or you can go through definition of cot 45. What is the cot 45 definition? What is the cot 45 definition? Adjacent side of angle 45 that is A, by opposite side of angle 45, that is A. So you can write A by A, again A1 ja A, again you get 1. So by through definition also you get 1. So cot, what is the cot 45 value? Is 1. So cot 45 value is 1. Next, sec 45, secant 45 degrees. What is the value of secant 45 degrees? What is the value of secant 45 degrees? Actually, secant 45 and cos 45 are reciprocal to each other. So if you reverse the value of the cos 45, if you reverse this, that means root 2 by 1. If you reverse means root 2 by 1, you get the sec 45. So sec 45 is root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 means what? Root 2. Root 2. Or you can go through definition of sec 45. What is the sec 45 degrees definition? What is this definition of secant? That is hypotenuse by by adjacent side of 45 degrees. Adjacent side of 45 degrees. That is equal to, here hypotenuse means what? Root 2 into A. Root 2 into A. By uh, by what is the adjacent side? That is A. A. So A 1 ja A. So root 2 into 1, root 2. Again you get root 2. So through definition also you can get root 2. So secant 45 value is root 2. Now next one is the cosec 45. Here also cosec 45 and sin 45 are reciprocal to each other. If you reverse the result of the sin 45 degrees, that means root 2 by 1, you get the cosec 45. That means cosec 45 degrees is equal to root 2 by 1. That is root 2 by 1 means what? Equal to root 2. So cosec 45 value is root 2. Or you can go through the definition of the cosec 45. So in this way, in this manner, you can get all values of trigonometric ratios for the angle 45 degrees. I am writing these values in next slide at one place. So this is you have to remember, this is a very important slide. Only you have to remember the values. No need to learn the proof. Right. Sin, what is the sin 45 degrees? Sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2 tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. So if you know these three trigonometric ratios, you can easily get remaining three trigonometric ratios. Cot 45, which is the reciprocal of tan. So if you reverse the result of the tan 45 degrees, then you can get the value of cot 45. That is 1 by 1. That is equal to 1. Cot 45 value is 1. Next one is the secant 45. Sec 45 degrees. This is the reciprocal of cos. If you reverse the if you reverse the result of the cos 45, that is root 2 by 1, you get the sec 45. So sec 45 is equal to root 2 by 1, that is means root 2. Cosec 45 is equal to that is cosec 45 degrees and sin 45 are reciprocal to each other. If you reverse the result of the sin 45, you get a cosec 45 value. That is what is the result of the sin? That is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So cosec 45 root 2 by 1 means root 2. So cosec 45 degrees is equal to root 2. So you have to remember these trigonometric ratios for the angle 45 degrees. So in the next class we learn about remaining angles. Thank you. Thank you very much.